Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS glass button effect. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS glass button effect. Inside the body we want to create a div and inside this button. Save the file. The button is visible now. Let's link our style sheet. Index.css and style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file. The margin is okay now. Let's start to style our body. Display is flex and justify content is center, align items center and height is 100 VH with 100% and background color is #262626FF. Save the file. Refresh. The background color is right now. Let's start to style our div. Display flex and justify content center, align items center and color is white, font size is 50 pixel and font weight is bold, font family sans serif, height is 100 pixel and width is 300 pixel and background is RGBA 255 and this is 0.1 and we want to add border radius 20 pixel and box shadow is 1 pixel and 20 pixel RGBA 255 and this is 0.5 and we want to add cursor, that is pointer. Save the file. Refresh. The button is okay now. We want to create div after. Inside this content and display is block, position is absolute and background is transparent, height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel and transform is skew 10 degree and div over after. Inside this we want to add the animation, anim 0.5 seconds, linear and forwards. Let's start to create our animation. Keyframes and animation name anim. Inside this 100%. Background is linear gradient 45 degree, Doja blue and blue. Next we want to add width 200 pixel and Z index is -1. Box shadow is 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is blue. Save the file. Refresh. It's nice glow effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.